Hey everybody. The next thing that we do is to look at the pasture for different species of interest. Now, I am not a huge expert, but even I can do this, and so can you. In this case, I have made a bunch of pictographs of the different species that I'm looking for. I even have, for reference, more pictures of the different species that I might be looking for and might be interested in on my phone that allows me to really hone in on the different species at different phases in their life cycle, which really helps. Sometimes being out here, especially late season like this, things are starting to die and it's hard to tell, but it turns out that leaf patterns can really help you look. And so I highly recommend, if you're heading out into the field and you have some species that you're interested in, go ahead and use one of these. Make a sheet like this for yourself, a little cheat sheet, put it in some, rainproof, weatherproof, dustproof jackets, and you'll have it for any time you come out. So looks like I'll do a walkabout now.